Welcome back to Math Dogs. If you're new to the channel, please comment, like, and subscribe. If you have any questions, please comment down below. Problem number 12 is consecutive odd integers. It says two consecutive odd integers are related. 3 less than twice the smaller is equal to 3/5 the larger. Find the two integers. So just like consecutive even integers, consecutive odd integers are also two spaces apart on the number line. And so when I define the variables or the expressions, it's exactly the same expressions as it was for even integers. The first integer is x, and the next odd integer will be 2 away, or x plus 2. So notice the 2 is an even number, and I'm dealing with odd integers, but the 2 represents the space on the number line, not the integer I'm looking for. Consecutive odd integers and consecutive even integers are both 2 apart, and they're always defined the same way. Now I'm going to use translation to write my equation. It says 3 less than twice the smaller is equal to 3/5 the larger. So here's my is equal to part. That's my equal sign. 3 less than, here's the word than, so I'm going to reverse the 3. It's written first in words, but second in symbols. Twice the smaller will be 2x. So the left side expression will be 2x minus 3. The right side expression is just 3/5 the larger, which means 3/5 times the larger of the two is x plus 2. And so my equation says 2x minus 3 equals 3/5 times x plus 2. So now I'll solve the equation. Since I have a fraction, the first thing I'm going to do is multiply both sides by the least common denominator, which in this case is 5. So 5 times 2x is 10x. 5 times negative 3 is negative 15. 5 divides into 5 once. 1 times 3 is 3 times x plus 2. Now I'll simplify the right side expression using the distributive property. 3 times x is 3x, and 3 times 2 is 6. Now I'm going to gather my variables on one side and my numbers on the other. I'll subtract 3x from both sides in order to keep my variable term positive. 10x minus 3x is 7x minus 15 equals 3x minus 3x is 0. 0 plus 6 is 6. And now I'm back to a two-step. Add 15 to both sides and divide by 7. Negative 15 plus 15 is 0. 0 plus 7x is 7x. And 6 plus 15 is 21. Divide both sides by 7. 7 divided by 7 is 1x. And 21 divided by 7 is 3. So my first integer, x, is equal to 3. My second consecutive odd integer will be 3 plus 2, which would be 5. So my first consecutive odd integer is 3, and my next consecutive odd integer is 5.